My name's Nick Beardshaw and I'm the head chef of The Coach in Marlow. We're a modern British gastropub. Things are a little bit different here. We do smaller plates that come as and when they're ready, so there's no traditional starters and main courses. So we really are deformalising from what would be cliched Michelin food. We're a 42 cover restaurant, but on a busy Friday or Saturday night we will turn that over 2 or 3 times. We run with 9 chefs and there'll be 4 on from Monday to Thursday, and then when we get towards the weekend there'll be sort of 5, 6 on. So we've got a Vitaprep 3. We use it pretty much all day, making all purees, and we do some dry things as well, such as prickly ash, which is a Szechuan pepper mix. So one of the dishes on the menu, one of the favourite dishes here, is the mushroom inverted commas risotto, because it contains no rice, so it's quite a simple dish. The main components are a diced king oyster mushroom and then a buttered mushroom puree, which we make using the Vitamix 3. And the king oyster dice is cooked out very, very quickly. The puree is then folded in and then it's finished in a classical Italian way with mozzarella, parmesan, and then some aged parmesan gets grated on top of that. The reason that we prefer a Vitamix over other blenders is purely because of the final product, the result. Because of the power it has that over other blenders. The real advantage it brings though is for green purees. It's imperative that you can blend green purees quickly, so it brings a huge advantage there. And obviously the power of the Vitamix means purees are very, very smooth. I absolutely would recommend Vitamix. There's nothing that achieves the same result, in my opinion, as quickly and effectively. For what we do, and we try and get everything as refined as possible, it's essential really that we have something that can blend as well as the Vitamix can.